Tonight it rocks. 48 counts, 2 walls, phrased, advanced. Wait on the left. Part A. Nightclub. Total 16 counts, 2 walls. Section 1. Right basic. Side, close, cross. The next section is for lyrics. Die in your arms. Step left, arm open. Bring arms closer and contract body twice. Close, close. Hug yourself and bend down on left. Push back to right. Now facing 9 o'clock. Left foot, back rock, recover. Full run around over left shoulder. Run, 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 run with sweep. Back to 9. Count Part A, Section 1. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Part A, Section 2. Cross, quarterback, facing 12. Next step is for lyrics, die. You rock back on right. Cross hands over chest. Recover to left, full turn. Half back, half forward with flick. Forward, pivot quarter, cross, facing 9. 3/4 reverse rolling. Quarterback, half forward and forward. Now facing 6. Count Part A, Section 2. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and. End of Part A. Part B, funky. Total 32 counts, 2 walls. Section 1. Wait on the left. Syncopated side rocks. Right side rock together, side rock together. Heel switches. Heel and slide back with drag. Count Part B, Section 1. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Section 2. Ball step. Pivot quarter, facing 9 o'clock. You open your body to the left. Recover to right and open body to right. Recover to left and prep. Rolling wine with slide. Quarter forward, half back, quarter side with drag. Count B, Section 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part B, Section 3. Ball cross walk, total making half turn. Ball cross, dip down, quarter, cross, dip down, quarter. Now facing 3 o'clock. Next parts are arms. Step to the right, clap. Rotate arms, level. Stretch arm out, keep fingers connected. Push right elbow forward. Change weight to left. I'll show you here. Clap, level, stretch, push. Count Part B, Section 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part B, Section 4. The footwork is point across, point side, step, ball quarter forward. With arm movements. Keep fingers connected. Swing to the right, swing to the left. Make a big circle and release the hands. Point forward, point left. Together point, hitch. End of Part B. Count Part B, Section 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Then you start B facing back wall. Whole dance count. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 8 back wall. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and Part B. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Backward. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. The sequence for the dance is AABB, AABB, AA. At the end of last A, make a quarter turn step to right, push right arm to 12 o'clock, and look away to 6.